how to track the conversions from your widget or your landing page in Google Ads. As you know, Google Ads are more efficient if you make a conversion event and you can track, who is really clicking on your WhatsApp widget or your, button or your, WhatsApp element. So in this case, yesterday we set up this. We have already 4 conversions. It's active. So this is working. And this is the event we set up in Google Ads. This is the event. You can add a value. You can define the conversions. Okay. And you can install the tag for Google Tag Manager. Okay. That's what you need to do. So we go to Google Tag Manager and we create an event called WhatsApp Leads. That is an event, it's a custom event that contains the event chat with. The event chat with is generated by default in your Google Analytics. So the moment you have a website with our widget and Google Analytics, we are going to send this event by default to your Google Analytics, GA4, of course, as everyone has migrate, or I think Google Analytics is gone, the old version. So for everyone using Google Analytics, the new version, the current version, this is going to work by default. We generate an event on Google Analytics without you need to set up anything. In our platform, if you have a landing page in our platform, what you need to do? You need to come to integrations, you go to analytics, and here you can add your analytics code and your tag manager code. Why you need this here? Because we are going to include those codes in your landing pages. So if you use our landing pages, you are going to track everything in analytics and tag manager. So the events you generate here are going to be registered with tag manager and are going to be sent in Google Ads. So the Google Ads are going to improve a lot because Google is going to understand who is your customer and you're going to get better ads, better conversion, better cost per click, etc. So we think it's a really good implementation. I mean, it's something you really need to add to your campaigns if you are sending users to your landing pages, because as you know, here in the CRM, if we go to the CRM, we give you the UTM information. I mean, this is something you have here, and you can filter leads by campaign. That's something we give you in your CRM, and this is important, and this is good for you to manage your campaigns. But for Google Ads, you need to send the event to Google Ads. Google Ads needs to understand when there is a conversion. Okay, if you use Google Tag Manager, create a custom event, because it's going to recognize chat with as a custom event. So I think it's more or less clear. If you need help, send us a WhatsApp and we will help you setting up this implementation. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.